model kit review is of the Ghostbusters vehicle, the ECTO-1A, and it is a 1/25th scale model by AMT. And here's a picture of the model, and another picture of the finished model. And that's the same picture. Here we get some details here. So let's have a look inside and see what we have. So first of all, we'll look at our chrome parts here. And reasonably well molded. Don't like the actual chrome, so that might need to be removed, but we've got a lot of different parts here. We've got our front bumper, rear, and some additional chrome parts, probably for our engine and for the top. And this is a very long car. Here we have our body, and it's reasonably well molded. Got some reasonable details, recessed lines. Here's our chassis, also reasonably well molded. We've got some suspension parts here, and looks like our rear differential and axle. And drive shaft here. Here we have our axles and wheels. We have our glass here. Reasonably well molded headlights. And we have our rear lights. Next we have our cockpit with our bench seats in there, and in the rear with their computer and other equipment. See little details there. So over here we see some other equipment that go inside. Not sure what these parts are for. Here's our dashboard. And looks like this goes on the side of the car. We've got our steering wheel, got other parts of the wheels. And also not sure what these parts are for. Probably for something inside. We have some flashing inside. Mold quality is actually reasonable on this, although we do have flashing in some parts. And then we have looks like some of the equipment that's going to go on top, and that's all reasonably well molded. Let's have a look. We have a number of decals here, so let's look at those. And those are very nicely printed. Very nice decals. Now we'll look at the instructions here. So we start off with the cockpits. And next we move to the equipment. And that's all the equipment that's going to go on top of the car. And we add some more detail. There's a lot of detail in that. and some additional ones. So all the body parts are added. Then we're going to add the equipment for the top, including the glass, and we add the chassis to the body and the cockpits. And then this is the decal guide, and the rest of the decal guide. And here is the paint guide, and that's about the car again. So all in all, reasonable level of detail. Molding quality is reasonable. The engine's molded in. We have some good decals.